my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to knit an I-cord which can be used for your knitted things or knitted products and make them look just like they were manufactured. I really love this technique because it is very easy to knit, but it makes the wow effect for your knitted things. For example, I've knitted these things for my son. Just have a look for the sneakers. With an I-cord, they look just amazing. I love it. Let's look closely once again to our I-cord. And as we can see, it was knitted only with 3 facial loops. So let's get started. All we need to do is just cast on our 3 loops. The first row is knitted just with face knitting loops. And what is the main key of this technique is just you don't have to turn your product when you start the next row. So when you are knitting the next row, every time you have to knit from the very first loop until you won't get the required length. Just watch how I'm doing this. Okay, as you can see, we have already our I-cord knitted, and as a result we will get this type of I-cord. So I recommend to use this technique to knit an I-cords for various types of your knitted products, starting from booties for your kids or sneakers for you and for your kids. And nobody will believe that you've knitted this by yourself. Thanks for watching.